Hey guys, we're back out here at World of Concrete with Troy from Husqvarna. Today we're checking out the LFe 60. Could you tell us a little bit about this?
Yeah, the LF60 brand new battery plate compactor from Husqvarna Construction Products. You should see it out in the next few months, starting to launch into the future. It actually runs on a complete redesigned Honda GX system from Honda. So the whole motor is actually built by Honda, and then including the battery.
How long of a runtime do you get off this?
Right now, it's still up in the air, but we're probably right around that 2-hour mark on a battery. The best thing about the whole Honda system together is actually the recharge time. Most people in this industry are charging anywhere from 2 hours to 4 hours to recharge a battery. This is a 1-hour recharge time. So real light, real compact. It's a great design. It's actually real quiet. On-off switch on top, and a light forward plate compactor like the rest. You see we use the same swing handle as the others. Run a similar water tank just like we do on the others. Everything's gravity fed into its own water tank. Slides right on and off the unit. Again, this water tank can be brought to the water source and actually fill it up, bring it back, and slide it back on. Wheel kit is standard on these as well. Wheel kit slips down in the back. Oops. Then you can move it around anywhere to get it on and off your vehicle. So
Yeah, pretty cool. Probably handy for any guy just working by himself, doing landscaping, anything like that.
Any trench work, any utility work where you're down in a trench and you can't have fumes, this is the absolutely perfect application for those.
Perfect solution for that. All right, guys, if you're interested in this, you can reach us at any American construction supply. Thank you so much for showing us these products, Jeff.
I appreciate it. Thank you, Tanner.